Okay, you guys, today is actually day 3. Yesterday kind of took a turn for the worst and we basically abandoned the vlog and decided to just handle our losses and plan for a better day today. So long story short, yesterday got off to a rough start. Basically, we woke up with a plan to go to the Grand Cenote before anyone else, so we could have it to ourselves when it opened. So with that plan, we woke up and found out that we only have enough pesos for either a taxi ride there, not even round trip, just like one way, or admission to the cenote. So we ended up deciding to bike to the cenotes and save our pesos to get into the cenote. But it was a 4-mile bike ride. So round trip, 8 miles. But yeah, then we got back to our hotel, basically found out that half of the spending money, the cash that we brought on the trip, was missing. Missing, lost, possibly stolen, we don't know. So that was really fun. But today's a new day. We woke up at the hotel with no power, but it's okay, whatever. And right now we are walking to the Tulum ruins. Made it. It is so beautiful. Oh, the lighting. It's so beautiful. Do I want to go with the tourists?
Yeah, do you want to go with the tourists?
No.
Oh.
So beautiful. Oh wow. This camera really doesn't even do it justice.
This camera will.
Cool. Okay. Tell me this is not the prettiest water you've ever seen in your entire life. That water though. John, you're too tall.
Just record it like half my face.
Like that show, The Proud Family?
Yeah, where you never see the parents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What'd you say about this water?
Said it's Moana. It's Moana water.
Yeah, it looks like the water from the movie Moana. So crazy.
You just took a tour with us to the Mayan ruins.
Tour day, Tulum ruin. Tulum Mayan ruins. Do yourself a favor, if you guys ever come to Tulum, come to the ruins right when it opens, because it is packed now.
Is that an anteater?
I don't know what that is. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Hi. What's up, guys? We just got off our taxi and we're at the Nomad right now. It's honestly so beautiful. We're gonna show you guys around and then we're gonna go grab some lunch and hit the beach.
So sweet. Here in a little bit, Cere and I are gonna go eat at that awesome looking place. Right now we're trying to find the beach. And Cere found it. Sweet. Whoa. Is this paradise?
This is paradise.
Kinda nice. Be able to lay down on the beach. I like sand, don't get me wrong, but this is a lot nicer.
We need to figure out how to save this sunburn though.
Save the sunburn?
Yeah.
Oh. Just go lay out in the sun with your hand covering your sunburn and then burn the rest.
So we're on the beach right now. We actually have to leave. We can't stay in this little hut thing, but we just found, allegedly, Bradley Cooper. So that's the teases. We're leaving. The Nomad was a bust.
It was. They want us to spend $100
Per person.
per person on food. I don't think so. We don't spend $100 between the two of us on food. So we are out back into the wilderness to try and find food. Alright guys, we finally found somewhere that takes a card.
It doesn't make us spend $100.
Yeah, true. So we got this awesome pizza. Look at that thing. And then we got this Caribbean rainwater. What the heck? What's up? I'm all about that life. Alright, we're about to dig in. Siri. Now we're chilling. So here's my feeties. You gonna wrap your feeties up?
No.
No? Siri is covering up her sunburn. I'm trying to even it out by tanning the rest of her body.
So it is currently 5 o'clock. We have been laying out on the beach for the past, like what, 3 hours?
Yeah, I was asleep.
Sand in your beard.
Thanks.
And as soon as the sun gets down a little bit lower, we're going to take some photos.
I wonder if they can hear us because of the wind.
I hope so. We're going to take some photos and then take a taxi back to our taxi back to our hotel. And that's all. We'll be packing and then we're checking out tomorrow morning to go to a new hotel.
Yep.
Well, an Airbnb.
Yep, and we're renting a car, so no more taxis for us.
Yeah.
Expensive little taxis. That's all, folks.
That's all, folks. Good morning. We are taking a taxi to go pick up our rental car. We're leaving this place. Low-key kind of excited to go to the next one. Goodbye. Okay guys, we're in a car now. It wasn't the car. Funny story. This whole trip kind of just like seems to be one big funny story. But we're still gonna make the most of it. Basically, we had booked our rental car online through Expedia.com, paid for part of it, got the confirmation that it was booked, printed it off, had all that information with us. We took a taxi down to Budget here in Tulum, and they said, sorry, we don't have any cars. Yeah, so they didn't have our car that we reserved. And we basically had to find a new one. And conveniently, the only other cars that Budget had was their higher end ones that were about $40 a day. To give you a comparison, the car that we booked was $2 a day. So it went from $2 to $40 if we were to still book with Budget, which we had already paid the insurance for. So luckily there were other car rental places next door. We kind of hopped around and basically found one. It's still not the same price. It would have been like $70 US, and now it's about, I think, 170. So yeah, lost $100 in the hotel and an extra $100 out of our rental car. But whatever. We're in a car now, so yeah, we're gonna make the best of it. We're going back to the hotel. We are going to eat breakfast there before we check out, and we'll just bring you guys along with us and see what else happens. All right guys, what's up? We just arrived at our Airbnb. It's called... Are you hiding? Oh, you're picking up our mess because we're giving you a tour. Yeah, anyways, so we just got here. We're just getting settled in, and this place is absolutely beautiful. It is the coolest Airbnb I've ever seen, so we want to show you guys. As I was saying, this place feels like a fresh start to our trip, which we both really needed. And we're excited and ready to go and have some fun. After this, we're going to hop back in our car and drive down to the beach and have lunch at a place called Raw Love. But before we do that, I want to give you guys a tour of this place because it is so cool. All right, first walk into our room, and there is this beautiful sitting area with the prettiest view out the windows. It's a perfect place to wake up and drink coffee, tea in the morning. Then over here, there's like a little sneak peek of the bathroom. I'll show you guys more of that later. And here is our bed. And then you have John over here. This place is beautiful. Then we come over here to the bathroom. So cool what they've done with the mirrors up here. And then we have this cute little vanity, floating sink. Even the toilet is cute. And this tile is amazing. And then we have our shower over here. Your dream shower.
Yeah.
So that sums up the tour of this place. We're gonna go hop in the car and grab some food, and then we'll be back and we'll see you guys at Raw Love.
Cere is currently trying to... Is this for like a blog?
Yeah.
She's getting that content for that blog. She got a fruit bowl, acai smoothie, something, who knows. And then I just got a chocolate, or cacao, I guess I should say, cacao banana smoothie with other things in it, who knows. Look at, there's a dog chilling. Okay guys, we're such bad travelers. Went to Raw Love without checking how much we had in our wallet, how many pesos. They only take cash, and so our total was $250. Before the tip we had $251, and so Cere's trying to call the bank to see if she can get a pin for our card so we can use the ATM so we can get more pesos. So hopefully it'll work out, because we've gone to the ATM a few times and it hasn't let us do anything. So wish us luck. I don't even know if you guys can hear, but holy cow. We went, Cere called, her phone is almost dead. It's at like 3% battery. 1% battery now. And so she was calling the bank trying to get the PIN number so that we can use the ATM. Got the PIN number, went to the ATM machine. Then it didn't work the first time. We thought that it just wasn't gonna work for a second. I did, at least. And so I was like in panic mode, but then we redid it and it worked the second time. Now we have money again.
And we can tip her.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't say that. I didn't say that part at all. I didn't talk about that.
Oh.
I just said that we, actually maybe I did. I don't remember. I was in like stress mode.
Yeah, we had like just enough money to cover the cost of the food, but not the tip.
Yeah.
And we both felt awful.
Horrible. I felt so sick inside not being able to do that, so we're walking back so we can tip her.